Yeehaw! My boys and girls, my friends, welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Wish Week. That means you wished for songs, and I will bring them up for you for a whole entire week, not only Wednesdays like we normally have. And this time we have you, Chip Miller. You wished for Andy Grammer's song called Bigger Man. So we had Andy Grammer on Garden Guitar before. I'm happy to present him again. Bigger Man. That's a nice, energetic song. And let's go into this tutorial with the capo set on 3rd frets. And I will just give you a brief second to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. What are you waiting for? Your songs, all right? You can get your songs on Goring Guitar as a guitar tutorial and learn to play them for others, for yourself. And yeah, that's great. So now, let's go into this song. And we have this set up with capo on 3rd, like I mentioned. We have 3 chords and we need to handle. So let's go into them first. We're going to learn the E minor. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have D next. That will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Then we have the last chord A. We're going to have 2 versions of A. The first one is the standard version. That goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. The next version will be to have that E string on the 3rd frets, all right? Not open, everything else is the same, but this last E string, we want that note as well. So what I do for this chord, I place a little short bar on the 2nd fret where I push down the first 4 strings, the E, B, G, and D string, and I have the open A as well, and then I add on the 3rd fret E string. So I don't have to use all of my fingers like this and get the room for every finger. I just place this simple bar and this added 3rd fret E string, and there we have the 2nd version of A. All right, so with that, let's go into this song here. And we have this melody going on, really redneck-ish sounding. So yeah, cool vibes into this melody. We're gonna look into the notes first and then see how we can replace them with a simple string pattern as well. We're gonna come to that later. First, the notes. It's based upon E minor, D, and A, all right? But anyway, let's go into notes. You're gonna play like this. Okay, we're gonna start there. So you're gonna play 2 times on the 2nd fret D string, then open G, then back to 2nd D, then open G again, 2nd D, 2 times on the open high E string, then 3rd fret B string, then open B, 2nd G, and open G. Okay, so this is the main pattern here in this melody. Then we have 2 different endings here. The first ending is to play like this. That is play open G, then 2nd G. What I do here, I play this hammer-on technique. So I play just the open G, and then I hammer on. I don't pick that 2nd G, I hammer on it to get some flow into it. So open G, 2nd G, open B, 2nd G again, open G, and 2nd D. That part is the first ending. Then you're gonna go back and play the main pattern again. And then the 2nd ending is just to play 1 single note, and that will be the 2nd D plus a pause. And that will be 1 round, all right? That is 1 round with 2 endings, okay? So slowly 1 round goes like this. That is 1 round. In tempo, a little bit faster, it goes like this. All right? So there you have one round, and that is how the song starts. With the first verse, you're gonna play this melody of 2 full rounds. I'm gonna come back to this, how to play this with just strumming, because it belongs to another part as well. I'm gonna explain soon. This is the melody part of verse, 2 rounds of that, and that takes us to the first pre-chorus. Now, we're gonna go into a strumming pattern and learn that. We're gonna do that with the E minor chord, okay? So, one string round goes like this. Okay, so it's down and then up, down, down, up, down, down. So, and a pause. So, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, so you're gonna play E minor, 2 of these string rounds, and then this second version of A, we have this added 3rd fret E string notes, 2 rounds of that. So you're gonna go back and forth from E minor 2 and A2. 2 rounds of that, it will be like this. That's the first pre-chorus. Sounds so cool. In the lyrics, I was blind. That is where the pre-chorus started. Now, let's go into the chorus. Oh my good blood. That's where we are in the lyrics. And now you're gonna play a new string pattern, the second and last one in this tutorial. You're gonna learn it again with E minor. And it goes like this. Pretty easy. So, down, down, up, down. So what I do here, I play the first down on the bass strings, and the rest I play down in the higher string mid area of strings. So bass top, and up down there. So bass, bass. Okay, so down, down, up, down. This is one string round. Now, for this first chorus, it starts without any playing there. It's mostly just lyric for 1 round of the chord progression, which will be E minor 2, D2, and A4. And now we go with the standard A. So that is how long the lyric part will last. And then you're gonna play 3 rounds, okay, of strumming. So 1 round goes like this slowly. So again, I just want to mention in this first chorus, it starts with the lyric part, which is not really a playing. And once you play that, that is how long it will last. Then you're gonna play and fulfill 3 full rounds of this chord progression: E minor 2, D2, and A4. Let's go for a couple of rounds in standard tempo. So there you have it, the first chorus. After that comes the instrumental part, and this is where you're gonna play the verse melody. All right, so remember. For 1 round like that. Or you can replace that with strumming. And that's what I wanted to explain before. You can play this melody or just neglect it and play strumming. And the strumming there will be played exact in the same way as the chorus plays. So the same strumming, down, down, up, down, with the same chord progression amount of times, E minor 2, D2, and A4. So you can just neglect this melody if you think it's too much to handle. Just play the chorus for the same amount of times as you play the melody. So with that said, you had an instrumental part. Now into the second round of everything. It's played exact in the same way as the first round. You have 2 rounds of the verse play, melody, or now the strumming you can choose from. The pre-chorus played the exact same way as the first one, and the second chorus now is played for 4 full rounds. No lyric part in the beginning, 4 full rounds of that E minor 2, D2, and A4. After that second chorus, you have a post-chorus part. And what you're going to do here is just to continue the chorus play for 2 more rounds. And that is where we're going to play the outro part next. The outro part is played with the verse play, either melody or strumming. And you play for 2 full rounds. And with that, you finished Andy Grammer's Yeehaw song called Bigger Man. So thank you, Chip Miller. You've been here on this channel before and you took the chance again. Here we are. Thank you for presenting Bigger Man for us and hope you will like this tutorial. This was special for you and all you Andy Grammer fans. So consider subscribe to this channel if you're new to this channel and let's move on forward together. Till next time, play tuned.